Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up Shopify payments for dropshipping. So I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to fully set up your payment settings in Shopify so that you can start securely accepting money from customers, collecting payments, and managing the resulting revenue from any products or services that you sell. So hopefully by the end of this video, you will fully understand how to set up and configure the payments properly within Shopify and feel confident accepting orders. So if you're just initially getting started with Shopify and signing up for the first time, then the platform will provide you with a 3-day free trial of a test store rather than immediately requiring a paid subscription. However, this trial store is highly limited functionality and notably you cannot accept real payments on it. Purchases will simply vanish. So the very first step to properly enabling payments in Shopify is to upgrade your trial store to one of Shopify's paid subscription plans. For that, I highly recommend clicking the link in our description down below, which will then give you access to a limited time offer. You can select any paid plan with Shopify and only pay $1 for it for 3 consecutive months. So for 3 months, you will only need to pay $1 each month for any kind of plan that you want to Shopify, which allows you to unlock the selling capabilities and remove limits so you can actually earn revenue. So with an upgraded active paid Shopify plan in place, the next step is to fully fill out your store's profile details, including your business information, shipping parameters, tax settings, and so much more. Just make sure to fill in as many details and specifics as possible. And to do that, you want to navigate to settings, general in your Shopify admin to find the main store profile page. So some accurate details that you want to provide are such as your store name, business contact information like emails and phone numbers, your typical business address, the currency your store will use for pricing and payments, any payment account information like bank details. So take your time filling out all of the fields in your store profile properly and accurately. This information will be important for allowing Shopify to properly calculate the local sales taxes, shipping rates, and comply with any regulatory requirements. Any incorrect store profile details could cause problems with payments, accounting, legal compliance, and more down the line, so it's definitely worth it to double check from now. The next step is selecting the specific payment methods that you want to accept. So with your paid store setup and profile configured, let's focus on selecting exactly which payment methods you want to accept from customers on your Shopify store. So navigate to settings, payments, and then the payment methods to view the main payment options. Here you can specifically enable which methods you want to accept by toggling them on, such as the major credit and debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, PayPal obviously, and the local popular payment apps like Ideal in the Netherlands, bank transfers, and even manual payments like cash or check. Be sure to enable all the relevant payment options that you actually want to accept and integrate with. Note that some options may show as unavailable depending on your region or country. So basically select the methods that you can realistically integrate rather than every method shown. Officially enabling these payment methods is required, otherwise customers won't see them at the checkout. And more options means more ways for customers to pay you. So once you've decided which methods to accept, the next crucial step is actually selecting and integrating a payment provider through which you will securely process transactions. You can view your options under settings, payments, and then the payment providers. Shopify gives you multiple choices including Stripe, PayPal, Square, Adyen, and more. Keep in mind that each one of the provider charges slightly differently transaction fees and offers unique features or integrations. For example, Stripe is a very developer-friendly provider with strong reporting. PayPal offers seamless integration and merchant protection. So simply to integrate a provider with your Shopify store, you will need to create an account directly with them first and then obtain your special API credentials and tokens. So just follow the detailed instructions shown in Shopify to make the connections and allow your store to pass payment details securely to the provider you select. Take your time to properly set up the integration. Testing with test transactions is also wise once connected. Beyond the major credit card payment providers, Shopify does support a number of alternate manual payment methods for more flexibility. You can go to payments and then the manual payments to view options. Here you can create custom manual payment methods that buyers can choose at checkout. This includes the bank wire transfers or ACH deposits, cash on delivery or local cash payments, checks, by mail, even cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Buyers will see these custom payment options at checkout, allowing them to pay via these alternate means that you configure. So again, again, more payment options means more ways for customers to pay your store, increasing the conversion rates. So with your Shopify payments well set up, you can confidently start accepting purchases, charging customers automatically, and getting paid for your products or services. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions on maximizing your Shopify payment configuration. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.